Are we live? Yes, I think we are live. Hold on, I'll just check. I think we are live, yeah. Alright. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. And if you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a social media application using MERN and Typescript. So, if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. And let's get started now. Story Joker, yo, hello Story Joker, welcome to my stream. How are you, brother? CD frontend, clear, okay. CD backend, npm run dev. Story Joker, tomorrow's my maths boards and still watching this. Haha. Okay, all the best for exam tomorrow. Like just give your best and like don't take too much pressure. Like give your best, but also understand that if something goes wrong, the world is not going to end. But your responsibility is to give your best. So focus on that. npm run dev. Okay. I hope I'm audible clearly, guys. Now if I come here, localhost 5173. Okay, so test user 2, test user 2, done. This is done. Now, okay, so this is my backend. Hold on, I'll start my postman. Story Joker, thank you so much, man. Yeah, welcome, Story Joker. Fine. Burn social media application users. I'll log in here. Then after login, post, get all posts. Now it's taking around 36 milliseconds, right? So today the first thing is that when a post is created, I want this feed to be pulled again up. Okay. This is my GitHub and this is my chat GPT. Fine. I come here. Braj Sharma 8000. Hello, Braj Sharma. Welcome to my stream. Brother, I'm also Monstack developer. Suggest few things. I mean, reality check that the other don't tell. I'm seeking a job. See, we are right now. We are at a time where just basic MERN application or basic full stack development in any framework will not get you a job. You have to build real world projects. You have to deploy those projects, and you have to, uh, you know, like build projects that can make the interviewer think that yes, you can build products, right? So just learning more, watching theory, building small applications will not get you the job right now. You have to build extraordinary projects like full stack e-commerce or applications on your own. Then you have to implement advanced concept, good coding practices. Then you have to explain the architecture also. you know you have to be one step ahead, like that kind of level I'm talking about. All right, so hold on. This is my code. This is my backend code. My backend code. This is my backend code. Fine. All right. So if I come here, backend src index.ts index.ts, then app.ts app.ts here, and app.ts. Then after this, let's go to models. Hold on, not model is not required. Let's go to controller, post controller, post controller, post.controller.ts, then give the routes post.route post.route.ts. Alright, so we do this, then so I think this is fine now. And here in my front end src pages feed page, this is my front end code, this is my feed page dot tsx. It's my feed page. Cool. Feed page is done. Then in my components, feed page component, feed post. In my feed post dot tsx, feed post dot tsx, and this is my API post API. Get update post, create post, and get user post by ID, update post. All right. Then feed dot api dot ts, feed dot api dot ts, then post dot api dot ts, post dot api dot ts. We do this now. When a post is created, I need to refresh the feed. I need to refresh the page to see the latest posts in the feed. Good. This is classic front-end state problem, not a backend problem. Right now, feed post only fetches. So you create a post somewhere. Feed has no idea something changed. You have three solutions. Best solution: no instant update. Lift feed state up and append new post. When a post is created, instead of referring add new and newly created post, feed was state. I'm gonna return the created post. Yeah, background returns. Step 2. In the component where you create the post, call on post created. Pass setter for the feed page. Instead, if you have a create post component, now when a post is create feed post, okay. Option 2, refetch post of a create, okay. Pro level. Yeah, let's implement this, okay. कमेंट रीडिंग 432, हेलो कमेंट रीडिंग 432, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. सर मैंने बहुत ट्यूटोरियल से बैकएंड देखा है, लगभग 24 आवर्स प्लस कंटेंट यूट्यूब से देखा है, उसको मंथ्स तक देख कर लाइव ही HTML से जावास्क्रिप्ट को देख कर सीख गया, बट बैकएंड क्यों नहीं? सी बैकएंड के लिए यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वंस यू वॉच अ ट्यूटोरियल यू हैव टू बिल्ड बैकएंड ऑन योर ओन विदाउट वॉचिंग एनी ट्यूटोरियल. Once you are able to do that, then you can proceed further, because HTML CSS JavaScript can be learned by watching tutorials, but when you try to learn backend, you need to like first you need to watch the tutorial code along with it, then you need to build backend on your own, like the REST APIs. Xpros Gamers 14, hello Xpros Gamers 14, welcome to my stream. Hi, hello bro. I was just watching your first live stream. All right. I hope you're enjoying the live stream, Expose Gamers 14. I hope you're enjoying it. Comment reading. What is your typing word per minute speed? My speed is 35 to 42. So I improved it, or it improves from time while doing project. It improves with time. See, typing speed does not matter much. Like the more you practice coding, your typing speed will improve automatically. It's like your brain will understand that it's your typing, so it will create pattern and it will be like a reflex. Since you already socket io index your backend after creating the emit io.emit new post. Okay, front end. In front end feed page set post return socket dot off New post. Improvement. Right now, create post. We have written raw post, but your feed expects append to state. And middle like a real product. Also emit with some of other users. Populate owner before returning. I like option 3 the best. Good, that's correct instant. If you're building a real social product, real time feed is right move. Okay. Coding Hub 243. Hello, Coding Hub. Welcome to my stream. Are you a student? No, Coding Hub. I've completed my BTech. Event even after post creation. Already okay. Now modify create post. Update create post like this. Create post. Create post. Hold on. Basically, here in my backend SRC controllers, uh, post dot controller, and this is my create post. There we go. Here find by id, okay, find by id. All right, so this is where my post is getting created. Post dot create. Hold on. Okay, okay, hold on. Formatted post. This is my post dot, this is my, okay, create post we are seeing. Okay, all right, get all, hold on, yeah, this is my create post controller. Create post. Perfect. We modify exact controller property, clean production ready in real time. Right now you are returning raw post. If your owner likes like content comments count. Cool. Okay. Create post controller. The viewer sanitize. Okay. Okay. Create post. Hmm. Relate the post. Okay, fine. So we create the post here. Post created. Right, post. Where have I created the post? Okay, fine. Here I have the post. Post. Create the post. Fine. Const populate post. Okay. Const populate post equals await post dot find by id created post dot underscore dot underscore id. But where is created post? Okay, basically here instead of this I'll make, okay, here I can make it created post, and here I can use this, 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 this. Hold on, yes, this is fine. Then I'll use dot populate. Bhakti Das 6055, bro, send your GitHub ID. Bhakti Das, my GitHub ID is this one, Abhishek 10600, and you can also check it from my description of this live stream. कमेंट रीडिंग, बैकएंड को कैसे फ्री में डिप्लॉय करोगे नेटलिफाई में? टू फ्रंट एंड होता है वर्सेल में भी, तो कहा और बैकएंड और फ्रंट एंड को अलग अलग डिप्लॉय करना होता है क्या? सी, कमेंट रीडिंग फॉर दिस project, I'll get a VPS server, and then I will deploy it. And if your application is too big, then you can consider deploying front end and back end separately. But right now this application is quite, like initially it's a small app, right? But there are two architecture. Basically, you can get a VPS or you can go for app services. But I for this project, I'll go for app services, right? I'll go for app services, and then we'll deploy it front end and back end separately. Meet Shah, Meet Shafi Niazi. Hello, Meet. Welcome to my stream. Hi, bro. Tanishk, hello Tanishk, welcome to my stream. Hello, bro. Tanishk this side. If you are comfortable, could you please tell me what your first job package was? If you don't want to share the exact amount, you can tell me the range. It was around, like in my country, we pay tax around like there's particular range above which we pay the tax. So I was below that. Meet Safinias. You are doing job? No, I'm not doing any job right now. D Dharya. Hello D Dharya. Welcome back to my stream. ब्रो मुझे एप्सिन का आइलैंड पे जाना है एडुकेशनल पर्पस के लिए Express Gamers 14. XAMPP web server. See, XAMPP is used for when if you have PHP at tech stack, then you go for XAMPP. But here we are using Node.js. Okay, populate. Then here I'll get the owner. I'll have the owner dot username profile image dot lean. Cool. Then if there is no populated post then throw new API error 500 failed to populate post. Hold on, populate post, and this will be this one. This is done. Then shape const formatted post equals will open spread operator populated post. Then I'll have the likes. Okay, likes like count 0, like count comments count 0, comments empty array. Then here we'll use IO. Hold on. Then I'll import IO from index. Hold on. What is it? Formatted post. Then formatted post, and then IO dot emit new underscore post Akash Kapoor, from which country you are from? I am from West Bengal, India. uh, Meet. I am learning web development. Any playlist recommendation? You can go for there's this YouTube channel called Chai or Code. From there you can learn React from React playlist, and then you can start learning backend from the backend playlist. So the name of the channel is Chai or Code. I learned from there. Comment reading. मेरे को फ्री में एपीआई यूज़ करके एआई इमेज टू वीडियो जनरेट करने का वेबसाइट खुद का पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए बनाना है तो सबका ही एपीआई फेच कर लूँगा लेकिन हो सके तो 2-3 सेकंड में बना दे वीडियो ओ दैट इज़ नाइस कमेंट रीडिंग एक्सप्रोस गेमर्स 14 ही इज़ फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल कोलकाता या डी धैर्य मुर्गे के आगे मुर्गा मुर्गे के पीछे मुर्गा तो बताओ तुम सिंगल क्यों Nothing. Hello, nothing. Welcome to my stream. What is your age, bro? I just completed JavaScript by Code with Harry. Nothing. My age is 25, and that is fine. That you have learned JavaScript. That is then you can continue with backend if you are interested in that. Tanishk, what's your college name, bro? And which year did you pass out from BTech? My college name is Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, and I completed my BTech in the year 2023. Coding Hub. Currently, you are making only backend or created any front end. If created, please show us. Yes, I've created the front end. Right now, I'm just fixing some bugs and optimizing the code. And I'll just a sec. In few minutes, I'll show you the front end. Okay. Chintan Vora. Hello, Chintan Vora. Welcome to my stream. Can you use Cursor AI as beginner or not? I will not recommend you to use Cursor AI for as a beginner. Go with VS Code without any AI capabilities. Then it will, improve your, like your foundation skills. Akash Kapoor, thanks. Okay. Comment reading. और ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा होगा इंडस्ट्री के हिसाब से और मेरे पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए जिससे मैं फ्री में बना लूँ और यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रो कर लूँ तो ऐसा कुछ बताओ मैं कैसे कर पाऊँगा खुद का फ्री लो बजट लाइक आपको पहले यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड full stack application, then you need to learn how to use AI LLMs in your application. For that you can read documentations. For example, if you're interested in using OpenAI's LLM, then go to OpenAI's documentation, then you will find the required information there. Ayush Priyadarshi. Hello Ayush, welcome to my stream, brother. How is Code Forces? Yeah, Code Forces is nice if you are into competitive coding. It is good. New post, and for data, I'll give formatted post. Done. Then this will be formatted post. Any errors? No error. Cool. No error here. Formatted post. Done. This is done. Okay, then after this what am I supposed to do? Where is it, where is it, where is it? This is done. Step 2, this is done. Create target, this is done. This is also done. Imports. Okay, okay, hold on. This is my socket.ts in frontend. Socket.ts frontend src socket.ts. आकाश कपूर, मेरा एक खुद का प्रोजेक्ट है in which AI takes our interview. If anyone wants to see, let me know. Oh, that's nice, Akash Kapoor. It is voice based. That's cool. Nothing. Bro, for how much years you are doing coding? See, I started coding when I was in class 11. Uh, and I started learning web development in 2020. So that much you can calculate now. Comment reading. OpenAI लूट लेगा मेरे को, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव API है. कोई चाइनीज़ ऐप कुछ है जिसके इंस्टॉल करके पीसी में मेरे को उसका API यूज कर पाऊँ और वीडियो जनरेशन बट और गाइड करके वलन ही होता. ओके, सी अभी तो आई डोंट नो इफ देयर इज अ फ्री API. यू कैन यूज डीप सीक. यू कैन यूज डीप सीक इफ यू वांट. डी धैर्य. ब्रो, तुम्हारी टास्क बार बीच में बट मेरी लेफ्ट में क्यों है? ये विंडोज़ में डिफ़ॉल्ट था. ये विंडोज़ 11 है. ये डिफ़ॉल्ट में शायद आपके यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ऐप्स होंगे तो इसकी वजह से दिस दिस कैन शिफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट. ओके. Important, do not create a new socket in feed page. Okay, step 1, make sure socket comes after login. Step 2, listen for new post. New post in feed page. You modify your use effect. Okay, this is my feed page. This is done. This is done. Then I'll go close this in my front end src components pages. This is my feed page. This is my feed page.tsx. This is my feed. डी धैर्य मेरी 10 है. ओके, हाँ 10 में इट इज़ डिफ़ॉल्ट. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इट्स टू द लेफ्ट. Joga Bonito. Hello, Joga Bonito. Welcome back to my stream. Bro, what are the best resources for front-end development, dev preparation? See, front-end I learned just React, and by building projects I learned front-end. But if you want a dedicated resource, there's this YouTube channel I think called Manu something for front-end. You can try that. D धैर्य reels का क्या सोचा है? D धैर्य will be implementing that like video, upload, and then we'll implement that reels part also, but that will be like later. First Now the target is to fix the bug in my feed page, and then I'll implement Redis and rate limiting, and after that we'll start working with the video generation, like video reels section. Okay, so in my feed page, this is my feed page, right? Here I'll import get socket. I import get socket, update a component, feed page, initial post. Okay, use effect, get post, seed feed post, set feed post, done. Then final set server error, no issues here. Real time listener. Then after this, I'll get my real time listener. Use effect, my use effect, and here is my use effect, and const socket equals get socket, done. Then if there is no socket, I will return डी धैर्या फर्स्ट यूजर क्या देखेगा फर्स्ट यूजर मैं खुद रहूँगा first user will see like how to use this application, like it's very intuitive based application, people will understand what to do. Joga Bonito, can you be more specific? I have learned all concepts now, I just need interview prep, so within a month or two I'll move to backend. Okay, Joga Bonito, uh, there's this YouTube channel, I'll just show you. I heard a lot about this YouTube channel called Manu Frontend. Let's see. Yeah, this Manu Arora. This Manu Arora YouTube channel, you can learn frontend from here. Alright. अमन कोहली 69. हेलो अमन कोहली, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम. क्या चल रहा भाई, कहाँ तक हो गया? ऑलमोस्ट पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. एप्लीकेशन इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ आई एम जस्ट फिक्सिंग फ्यू थिंग्स, एंड टुडे माय गोल इज टू implement Redis for caching and make the API much faster. Dev, keep it up. Thanks, Dev. Thanks a lot, brother. And I hope you're enjoying my stream. And just a reminder, guys, like if you're new to my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. All right. So there we go. Return. Then I'll create a function const handle new post. New post will be feed post type. Feed post type. And this will be this. And after this, what am I doing? So set feed post previous prevent duplicate. Okay. New post ID, fine. Then return new post. Cool. This is done. All right. So new post. Okay. Then socket off. Okay. Then very important. So this is done. Handle new post. Okay. So set feed post. There I'll get the previous post, and then here I'll implement previous dot. Hold on. If I'll implement if is it if prev dot sum. जोगा बोनीतो, ऑल राइट, आई टेक अ क्विक लुक. या जोगा बोनीतो. अमन कोहली 69. अरे भाई, तुम महेश लाइफ को जानते हो? तुम्हारा वाईटी पेज पर आएगा जो कोडिंग की लाइव करता है. ओके, या आई नो दैट गाय, महेश लाइव. आई हैव सीन हिज स्ट्रीम, ही इज आल्सो नाइस. Nothing. Brother, why you are not doing any job? There is any reason behind it? Nothing. I was doing a job, but I want to do something of my own, so that's why I left my job. Nothing wrong, like from the company side or from any side. I just felt that I am not, I was not enjoying the job, so I left it. 9 AM Games, what's up? Hello, 9 AM Games. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? D Dharya. I think I can use some good Indian social media app. I need that because I don't like USA and companies based in the USA. Hoping I will get a YouTube alternate soon. See, for that, we have in India we need to build a startup ecosystem, right? Right now we are in a job ecosystem where everybody wants to get a job and get a secured life. That is fine, but we need to what happens in other countries in USA, Sweden, Canada. They promote startups. Like people start to create something of their own at a very young age. So they get a lot of exposure, and that's why lots of startups originate from that country, like Uber, Instagram, Facebook, Microsoft, any company. Most of the companies are from there. But for that to happen in our country, we need to build an startup ecosystem. Joga Bonito. He's done with corporate. Yeah, like something like that. ग्रो सलमान सर मर्न स्टैक कंप्लीट करने के बाद हमें कितने और कौन सी प्रोजेक्ट्स बनानी चाहिए और किन बारे वेबसाइट की क्लोन करना चाहिए हमें ओके ग्रो विद सलमान वंस यू कंप्लीट योर मर्न स्टैक लाइक यू अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक concepts your first project should be very very basics that does not scare you so you should build a to do application with authentication simple to do apps then after to do application create a blog application then after blog application then you can build any application like e-commerce social media youtube clone then with advanced backend technologies you can do that chat application with real-time communication you can build those things Nalima Henran Nalin Mahindran hello Nalin Mahindran welcome to my stream. Hi bro, this is my first time seeing your stream and I see you are good with full stack. I only know CP and now I want to shift to full stack. Can you please give me a roadmap which you followed? Yeah, sure, Nalim. See, the first thing is that C++, so it means that you know programming, right? Now you can learn JavaScript. JavaScript also a programming language, and it will not take much time because you already know C++. But see, programming language just concepts are same: loops, arrays, strings, and all those things. But the major concept in C plus JavaScript that you need to learn is async await, promises, how to handle APIs, maps, arrays, all those things, higher order functions. Then after that, you can, after you learn JavaScript, give yourself 1 month to learn JavaScript. Then go to backend development. Learn express.js, Node.js, MongoDB. Then learn how to build REST APIs. Then learn how to build authentication system. What are JSON Web Token? What are JWT? All those things. Then after that, once you learn JavaScript and backend, then learn HTML, CSS, and then learn React. Then after you learn React, build full stack projects. 9am games वही घिसी पीटी जिंदगी ऑल राइट 9am games अंडरस्टैंड दैट ग्रो सलमान और मर्न से बनी गई सोशल मीडिया ऐप कितने दिन में बन जाती है वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है लाइक आई कोड अराउंड in this social media application if you see my previous stream I code on an average I've been giving 2.5 hours every single day on an average so I have been working on this project for only 2.5 hours every single day but if you can give more then obviously the project will be built much faster okay D Dharia okay ग्रो सलमान और सर अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे दे मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ ग्रो सलमान यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम लाइक यू कैन डीएम मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आई कनेक्ट विद एवरीवन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम यू कैन फाइंड माय इंस्टाग्राम लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो ऑफ दिस स्ट्रीम ग्रो सलमान और सर फ्रीलांसिंग करते जे रिमोट जॉब सॉफ्टवेयर हाउस में जॉब करते हैं मैं अभी फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स आते हैं तो मैं प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम करता हूँ बट आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी जॉब राइट नाउ डी धैर्या जेई का रिजल्ट आ गया है शायद आज ओके आई हैव नो आइडिया एंड आई होप पीपल दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट दे गेट गुड रिजल्ट्स फेरोनिक्स यू अपडेट हेलो फेरोनिक्स एप्लीकेशन इज कंप्लीट but today I am working on making the API much faster so I'll be implementing Redis for today and right now I'm working on the feed post bugs so I'm fixing that bug. Even a streamer from West Bengal can understand but she can't. 9am games funny. Coding hub hello coding hub bro I want to make one SaaS platform for that I want a context which industry made the SaaS. See, you have to research like which industry you understand, what kind of SaaS you want to build. It depends on your research. Phoronix, चाय और कोड प्लेलिस्ट कंप्लीट करके आ रहा हूँ और श्योर फेरोनिक्स. ऋषभ मिश्रा, हेलो सर, कितना बजे लाइव आते हो? ऋषभ मिश्रा, आई कम लाइव एट 10:30 p.m. आफ्टर 10:30 p.m. most of the time. Neelam, Neelan Mahindran, is there any specific YouTube channel to learn JavaScript? See, I learned JavaScript from Chai or Code YouTube channel. You can learn it from there. D Dharya, Rassi Stocks, okay. Pheronic 7, when you host, I will host it, after completing the Reels part. Like, I'll be implementing the Reels section also. So, after I do that, then I'll host. अमन कोहली 69, भाई मेरा चैट तो पढ़ ले भाई. अमन कोहली, I did read your chat. Which chat you're talking about? Aman Kohli. Yeah, Aman Kohli, I told you, like, I know that Mahesh live. I have seen his streams. Aman Kohli, I hope I'm audible on Aman Kohli. Deepak Kantpai. Hello, brother. Hello, Deepak Kantpal. Welcome to my stream. Okay. Some. Then here, post p p dot underscore id is equal to a new post dot underscore id. If this is true, I will return rev. If this is not true, then return new post comma rev. Then this is done. Then socket dot on new post, handle new post. Then while demounting, return socket dot off new post comma handle new post. This is done. Okay, this is done. Fine. Any issues? No issues. Let's see if this is working. Now let's create a new post, and then let's create a new incognito window. Where is my incognito window? My localhost 173. Let's log in as test user 7. Test user 7. I will log in here. I'm logging in test user 725. Test user 2. I go to the post profile. I'll create a new post. The world your only job is to win and don't care about what others think about you. Thought of the day. Let's do something like thought of the day. Let's make it large and bold. Now let's upload a poll, upload a DP profile pic. Let's upload image. Let's upload this image. Now click on posting. Yeah, see, we are getting without refreshing. All right. Now if I come here, yeah, here also we are getting the post. Cool. Now if I click here, and if I come here, someone like to post, and cool. This is okay. Aman Kohli 69. Which chat, Aman Kohli? Like, I seriously did not receive any chat after that. ओके, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने और महेश एक कोलैब में कोडिंग करी थी उसकी लाइफ पर। ऐसे ही प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करने में लिया तुम उसकी लाइफ पर देखो कोलैब लाइव स्ट्रीम प्लीज एक बार। ओके, आई विल वॉच इट अमन, आई विल वॉच दैट कोलैब। ओके। ओके, आई होप आई एम ऑडिबल अमन, and guys, I'm audible. Do let me know, guys, I'm audible clearly or not. Coding Hub for 243. I'm very good at backend, but the issue is the front end. Me, I mean, I know how to make front end code, it all, but the design. So you can please tell me how to solve this problem. See, I face the same issue. That's why I use AI for generating the design, and then I just use that design in my front end. D Dharya के 9 AM गेम्स। इसके पहले तुम्हारी महेश लाइव वाली लास्ट चैट है। ओके, 9 AM गेम्स। ओके, फिनिक्स रील्स पहले फेरोनिक 7 रील्स पहले शक हो रहा था कि इंस्टाग्राम बन रहे हो, अब तो इंस्टाग्राम ही बन रहे हो। सी फेरोनिक्स, videos are very important data. We are living in a world where without data user will not use the application, and here it's about sharing your skills so people can actually post videos about what skills they are building, or they can upload post about what project they built. So something like that. Reels, not see, because of Instagram and YouTube shorts, we think that short videos only means about those things, and but here videos can be like related to your projects, what project you are building, what kind of application, what kind of skills you are learning, something like that. Okay, D Dharya, chai pee lo friends. Krish Tripathi, hello Krish Tripathi, what did you use for faster API? I'm using I will be using Redis for caching. D Dharya, Phoenix पे वीडियोस मिली Phoenix 7. How it's looking on phone? Show us. See, it is not responsive now. I'll make it responsive before deploying because like it is actually very easy to make the code responsive. Okay. कुमार राहुल, हेलो कुमार राहुल भाई, स्ट्रीम कैसे करते हो? मैं यूट्यूब पे आ जाता हूँ, लाइव गो लाइव करता हूँ और ओबीएस से स्ट्रीम करना स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ। ग्रो सलमान, सर मैंने ग्रो सलमान भाई, सर मैंने जैसे आज रिएक्ट का न्यू कंसेप्ट सीखा है कोड का प्रैक्टिस नहीं करके, इसी तरह कल न्यू सीख किया है। ठीक है, या प्रैक्टिस भी करनी चाहिए और किस तरह करनी चाहिए? ग्रो विद सलमान, सी यू शुड प्रैक्टिस while building the project, like when you are watching the tutorial, code along with the tutorial. That is the best way to learn. अमन कोहली सिन्हा भाई, तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट में रील्स भी डाल सकते हैं क्या? यस अमन कोहली, लाइक माई गोल इज टू इम्प्लीमेंट वीडियो अपलोड ऑल्सो एंड पीपल कैन सी द वीडियोज. It's Lad 99. Hey bro, it's Lad 99. Welcome to my stream. Hello brother, how are you? Phoenix 7. Okay. Nothing. Brother, which company did you work for? Like it was I cannot name the company because I might face issues with that. Like future में after 1 or 2 years I'll name the company. ग्रो सलमान, सर आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग सीखने की क्या रूटीन थी कि कोई वीकली रेस्ट करते थे कि आप पूरे होते थी या नहीं? ग्रो विद सलमान, आई यूज्ड टू कोड एवरी सिंगल डे एंड वीकेंड्स आई यूज्ड टू टेक रेस्ट like 1 or 2 day, but then on Monday to Friday I used to code every single day, and on weekend also sometimes I used to code. Okay. Okay. Shubhajit Sen, how will you scale this project? Shubhajit Sen, like right now I'm see the coding. The way I'm developing this project, it's highly scalable right now. But later on, if the load increases a lot, then I'll be using load balancers in the deployment side, server side. All those things I'll do. ग्रो सलमान, और सर सैस किया है कर ये कि हमने मर्न के बाद सीखनी चाहिए या नहीं? सर सास क्या है? ग्रो सलमान, सास एक बिजनेस मॉडल है, इट स्टैंड्स फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर एज ए सर्विस, जहाँ पे आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हो और लोग आपको लाइक पे यू टू यूज योर सॉफ्टवेयर. 9 AM games, audible over and out. Thank you 9 AM games. अमन कोली 69, मेरा फेस रिवील हो जाएगा तुम्हारी लाइफ पर, प्लीज शो. See, right now, like like I don't want to go to someone else's YouTube channel because I can get, uh, you know, that strike or all those things. So I don't want to take the risk. I'll watch the I'll watch your watch that stream after completing the stream. Okay. It's sad. Hi bro. Hello, it's sad. Welcome to my stream. Ajay Devex. Hi bro. Hello Ajay Devex. Welcome to my stream. Pheronic 7. What if someone tried to upload 18 plus content and there are multiple account? Then how you can handle it? See, that is a very good question. For that, I need to implement that report section. And first, I think I'll make this application 16 plus at least. And there are two options where I can use a bot that will detect all those AI related content, for your adult content, and then someone can report it also, or the bot can directly ban that account. I can implement that. क्रिस त्रिपाठी, ब्रो इस लाइव करने के लिए कोई डोमेन ब्रो इसे लाइव करने के लिए कोई डोमेन पर करोगे? क्रिस त्रिपाठी, yes, I buy a domain for this project. D Dharia, bro, Didi party when coding hub. Can you suggest some AI for that design which is good? Most of the UI make that basic design. See, I use ChatGPT only for UI also, and if I don't like the UI, I tell it to redesign it. नलिन में ओके डी दरिया लैड लाड साहब आ गए. इट्स लैड 99 ओके. इट्स लैड डी दरिया यस ओके. ग्रो सलमान, आप बोर ना होते प्रोग्रामिंग में क्या? मैं बोर नहीं होता. लाइक आई लाइक टू डू दिस, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट. Slad, I already built this type of project, bro. Oh, that's nice. It's Slad. That's really good. Sachin, hello, bhaiya. Hello, Sachin. Welcome to my stream. Nothing. Okay, bro. Bye. See you later. I'm your new subscriber. Nothing. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, brother. And yeah, like I'll see you later in the stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Nine Games. ये कैसी टेक्निक है फेस रिवीलिंग की? अमन कोहली, नहीं भाई, स्ट्राइक नहीं ब्रो. कासी बात कर रहे हो, वो बंदा ऐसा नहीं है और वो जब भी सोच भी नहीं सकता यार. ओ दैट्स नाइस. ओके. डी दरिया, हम अडल्ट हुए तो अडल्ट कंटेंट ही हटवा रहे हैं. सी लाइक अडल्ट कंटेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ अडल्ट वीडियोज. इट्स वेरी बोरिंग because and it destroys your dopamine receptors, so it destroys your ability to focus, then it spoils your brain. So that's why I will tell you guys to stay away from adult content. It destroys life seriously. Nalim, sir, if I have social media doubts, can I connect with you through Insta? If so, can you please give your ID? Yeah, Nalim, my Instagram ID is in the description of this live stream. You can check it out. 90 games. I must say keep 18 plus content as long it touches numbers. एक बार audience आ गई उसके बाद अपने हिसाब से filters डाल दो. Elon Musk to 240p. No, see, I don't want to take any shortcuts or dirty road to build this project. I don't want to do that. See, this is a very clean project. I want to keep it clean for people to share value, share their skill, share their project. So, and I don't want to take any shortcuts or dirty road to grow this project. Aman Kohli, please check live collab. Aman, I will watch that live after the stream. I will not do this in this stream, for any copyright issues and all those things. D Dharya, Guru Salman, respect for bro. He read that. Okay. Ramesh Kumar, hello Ramesh Kumar, welcome to my stream. फिर ब्रो ऐप वेब डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हो या ऐप डेवलपमेंट या दोनों? मैं अभी वेब डेवलपमेंट कर रहा हूँ. अगर ये प्रोजेक्ट ग्रो होता है तो आई कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू एन ऐप. It's lad. Use Gemini extension for code in VS Code. It makes very good UI. Okay, I'll see that. It's lad. Aman Kohli, Nine Games. भाई तुम नहीं समझोगे. Nine Games. Business is not a gentleman's place, बाबा. हमारा हो गया सब chill. Okay, fine. There we go. So this is working. Now let's implement Redis. Now we'll implement Redis. Redis. Let's go to the documentation of Redis. See right now what is happening. If I get all the posts, it is taking around 36 milliseconds. Right. Now let's try to Redis. Redis. Redis documentation. Welcome to Redis docs. Welcome to the Redis docs. Okay. Redis has a pricing. Is it not free? Always up to 30 MB. Just go for it. Is Redis free? Is Redis free? Redis is generally free use for development, personal and internal application, but is no longer strictly open source as of. So, okay, meaning it is free for most users, but restricted commercial cloud providers. Redis 8 is free. Okay, fine. Let's go to docs. Quickly set up Redis cache. Okay. Develop libraries and tools, APIs. When did Redis 8 come out? May 2025. Okay, it's been long. Okay. Where is it? Okay. अमन कॉलेज ने दिल तोड़ दिया भाई दिल भाई कितनी बार बोलूँ वो नहीं करता ये सब स्ट्राइक वगैरह ओके अमन लाइक आई डू दिस आफ्टर द स्ट्रीम आई टोल्ड यू रमेश कुमार ब्रो आप न्यू वेब डेवलपमेंट सीख रहे हो रमेश कुमार लाइक आई हैव लर्नड वेब डेव बिफोर I have been doing this since 2020 but Monstack I have been learning for last 1 month. D Dharya, Elon Musk. Okay. अनुराग सिंह हेलो हेलो अनुराग सिंह वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम अमन कोहली भाई ये नहीं करेगा चेक लगता है मैं नहीं करूँगा अमन इट्स लैड 99 यू कैन यूज़ रिडक्स persist फॉर कैशिंग user RTK query yeah we can do that but Redis is better I think and I've been using Redux but not Redux persist डी दरिया सपनों की माशूक मैसेज आ गया अमन कोहली चैट कोई बात नहीं भाई मजा कर ओके इट्स लैड फॉर मेकिंग ऐप फास्ट ओके अमन कोहली मेरा तो बस चैनल कर लो वीडियो मत डालना मेरा तो बस चैनल कर लो वीडियो मत डालना ओके फाइन देयर वी गो व्हाट्स योर चैनल नेम अमन कोहली व्हाट इज योर चैनल नेम ब्रदर लेट मी नो द चैनल नेम I'll check out your channel. माय नेम इज भाई ये क्या टॉर्चर दे रहा है आई एग्री ओके सो देयर वी गो रिसोर्सेज लेट्स सी एक्सप्रेस libraries and tools so why is the documentation is really shitty Java client for Redis Node.js client for Redis okay Node.js client for Redis okay anything else Node.js client for Redis okay API docs where is it Node.js client okay fine learn how to build with Redis and Node.js connect a Node.js application to a Redis database using the Node Redis client library refer to the complete Node.js guide to install and connect to okay Node.js guide where is it Node.js guide connect to Redis is a Redis client for Node.js section below explain how to install Node Redis and connect your application to Redis database npm install Redis cool connect and test upon create client Redis create client create an error store the retrieve simple string set store and retrieve map the session is equal to client.html okay fine AYR रहा है what is it Anurag Singh done with all the stuff yeah application is working right now I'm implementing Redis to make the API faster Aman Koli 69 AYR रहा है क्या guys channel name what Aman Koli what is the channel name रमेश कुमार ब्रो मैं भी फुल स्टैक डेवलपर सीख रहा हूँ पर भी क्या लगता है स्कोप है इसमें, मिल सकता है क्या अच्छी जॉब? रमेश कुमार, राइट नाउ वी आर एट अ टाइम वेयर इन अ टाइम वेयर just full stack development is not enough. You have to learn how to architect a software, how to think like a senior, like software architecture. You need to learn software architecture because now coding AI can also do. अमन कोहली 69 टचर नहीं है भाई। ओके डी धैर्य आशु गाई 11th 12th की लास्ट 7 लाइव्स के साइज देखो ब्रो। सर सर एक एक बजे तक पढ़ाते हैं। ओके 9 AM गेम्स अमन कोहली भाई तू टाइम आउट लेके ही मानेगा लगता है। 9 AM गाय स्पॉटेड गेम्स भाई मैंने सही था। ओके फाइन। There we go. Libraries. Close this. Close this. Fine. So this is the basic structure, right? Basically npm install redis, then I'll create a client, client dot on, then await client dot connect. Fine. Now I need to export this client also. Cool. I'll export the client. Then I need to set. Fine. Okay. Console.log json.signify user session. Okay, got it. Frontend src. Frontend src, not here. Frontend backend src controllers, post controller. There we go. Now let's come here. New chat. This is my backend code index.ts, index.ts, then app.ts, app.ts, yes, yes, index.ts, yes, post.controller.ts, post.controller.ts, that is done. Then this is the route, post.route, post.route.ts, then models, user model, user.model.ts, model.ts, post.model.ts, post.model.ts, then comment.model.ts, done. Then I'll share the types, index and types. Then this is my types. Cool, this is done. Okay. IMO J Karth. Hello IMO, welcome to my stream. My name games और ये स्ट्रीम पे दिखा उसके। ओके My name games अब से जितनी बार स्ट्रीम पे आएगा तू रिग्रेट 120 दे भाई तू सहेगा भी नहीं हो जाएगा तो एक बाड़ी में। ओके ओके Hello bro, how are you? Hello Shubham Rai, welcome to my stream. How are you brother? So now I want to implement this for caching and for caching. Good, now we are talking scaling. You already built proper aggregation. Now let's make it production ready. Since your MERN stack Redis caching will massively improve. Home feed, load, profile posts. What should you for the app cache on post slash post? Not cache create one. No? You invalidate cache and those run. Okay. Step install one install Redis. npm install Redis. If local docker run Redis. Okay, let's npm install Redis. Okay, so this client. Where do I need to run this? In the inside the backend. Yes, you must install a backend project folder. Okay, fine. Okay, done. This is done. npm install Redis. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yep. Install Redis. Step 2 create Redis client. Config के अंदर I'll create redis.ts. Uh, Redis is running. Okay, after login instead of so after installing Redis, how to start? Question is installing Redis and only the client. You also need Redis server running. There are three common ways. Option 1 recommend use Docker if you have Docker installed. Run this Docker run. That's it. Now Redis is running. Fine. Docker PS. Option 2 install Redis locally without Docker. Okay. Okay. Let's go with Docker. Fine. I have Docker installed. I have Docker installed so I can use it for Redis. Shubham, right, doing good. Oh, that's nice. Make Lavdo. Okay. अमन कोहली सीजन अभिषेक ब्रो फ्री फायर खेलता हो मेरा उसका चैनल था पहले जब 1 साल हुआ लीव करा हुआ 20,000 सब्सक्राइबर पे लीव करा था मोनेटाइज वगैरह सब है पेमेंट भी आई हुई है एक बार थोड़ी थोड़ी अटकी हुई है ओके ओके दैट्स नाइस अमन दैट्स रियली ग्रेट Shubham Rai. Bro, received today HR call. She says 2 months unpaid internship in Indore and then based on performance PPO 13 in Indore. But I didn't like 2 month unpaid in Indore. What should I do? Where do you stay, Shubham Rai? If you stay in Indore, then you should go for it. But if you don't stay in Indore, then I don't think that's a good thing. But you have to think accordingly for your situation. Aman Kohli. लेकिन अब कम हो गया है 1.5 ईयर होने वाला है और चैनल लीव इसलिए करा क्योंकि बैन हो गया था फिर बैन हो गया था ओके 9 गेम्स ओके 9 अमन कोहली से स्टडी ओके दैट्स फाइन अमन डी दरिया ब्रो तेरी ऑडियंस भी बिगड़ने लगी अमन है जोगा बोनितो 9 AM bro chill okay it's Ultron hey bro what's up hello Ultron welcome back to my stream brother how are you 9 AM games जब पूछा कौन है बेस्ट इट्स मी आई गेस ओके जब पूछे रट्टा कहाँ है महेश अमन इट्स मी आई गेस ओके शुभम राय ब्रो आई मीन उत्तर प्रदेश ओके सो लाइक हाउ फार इज इंदौर फ्रॉम योर प्लेस जोगा बोनितो 9 AM ओके step 1 run on this docker dash d redis Ping, okay. Connect backend. Okay. So give me the full steps and code. Okay, one is Redis in a backend properly. Production decode Redis via Docker, Redis client setup, cache output. Cool. Run this once. Let's copy this. Let's go to my terminal. Where should I run this in my command prompt? Yes, you should run this in your system terminal on inside Node project. Since you have Windows Docker, okay, got it. Okay, so with using Docker, I will install Redis. Fine. Then if I come here, terminal, open terminal. This is my terminal. Let's full screen it. It's paste anyway. Multiple lines. Mhm. See. Let's see if the Docker is running or not. Hold on. Docker desktop. Okay. Nine name games. आज तो खैर होगा कैप. Nine name games. Don't read out loud. Okay. Shubham Rai, bro, it's 1,127 kilometer. Then Shubham Rai, like it's too expensive. Maybe like for an unpaid internship. See this. Is this? Just make a note of it. Just make a note of it. So that in future this just notes, development notes, new folder, more options, notes, rename option, notes, and command to run Redis server in Docker. It's this one. Fine, I can close this. Fine. Now close this. Now if I come here, copy this, come here, use this and run. Unable to find latest locally. Latest pull. Okay, fine. There you go. This pull in my Docker. Ghost Blaster 8663. Hello, Ghost Blaster. Welcome to my stream, bro. System specs. Ghost Blaster. It is a simple 16 GB RAM, Core i5, and the name of the laptop is HP Laptop 15X. Come on, colleague. ओके, चलता रहता है। डेट देर यार, मैम अभी क्रश से बात की भाई, पढ़ाई का फल मिल रहा है, फिजिक्स में मुझे हेल्प मांग रही है। नाइस डी धैर्य, जोगा बनी तो हाँ हाँ बेल्ट। हे ब्रो सिस्टम, आई टोल्ड यू घोस्ट ब्लास्टर, दैट्स साउंड। So what's you are up to like basically? I'm building a social media application using MERN and TypeScript. So let's do fine. Now this is done. So my Redis is running. Docker this run Docker PS. Docker PS container. About a minute. Okay, Redis server cool. Redis server cool. Then Docker test. Let's do this. Docker exec server CLI. Yeah, done. Then let's type ping pong. Got pong. So Redis is working. Okay. Now in my code I can install Redis. Okay. This is my backend. I close backend for a second. Clear npm Redis. Npm install Redis. I install same thing, but let's be safe. Npm install Redis inside backend. Npm install Redis. रोहेब हुसैन 7, हाय ब्रो, हेलो रोहेब, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? नाइन नेम्स के नाम पर इनकी अलग केमिस्ट्री चालू है, ओके। घोस्ट बस्टर समथिंग लाइक ट्विटर और इंस्टा, बोथ लाइक ट्विटर एंड इंस्टा एंड रेडिस ऑल्सो, फाइन। npm run dev. So if I come here, backend package.json, did I get Redis? Yes, I got Redis. Fine. Ghostbuster. Bro, if you don't mind, could I ask you something? Yes, Ghostbuster, ask me a question. Rohib Hussain. Bro, backend development Django or full or web full stack? See, you can do both. See, backend, you stick to backend with Django if you're interested, and for frontend you can use React, and then you can make them back Django backend, React frontend, make them interact with each other. Joga bonito. Bro, you became rebellious really quick. पहले तक कितना मजाकिया बंदा लग रहा था, अभी सीधा रोस्ट मोड। ब्रो लाइक जोगा बोनी तो किसको बोल रहे हो ये चीज? मुझे? डी धैर्य 9 गेम्स जलता है ये मेरे घोस्ट बस्टर। आई हैव वन थिंग टू आस्क लाइक या आस्क घोस्ट बस्टर। हर्षित हर्षित कश्यप, हेलो हर्षित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई मुझे फ्रीलांसिंग करनी है। ओके हर्षित, so if you are getting into freelancing, the first best option to get clients is to make your friends or relatives, tell them that you are into this, and if they need anything then you can build that for them, because that is the best way to get clients in my opinion. And if you go to Upwork and Fiverr, you can create your account, but it will be difficult to get a client there. Roheb Hussain, I hate front end yaar, but worry about opportunities. Rob, even I hate front end. Like, I don't hate it, but I don't like it. It's not my favorite thing. So what I do for front end designing, I used AI. Then I create that code with React on my own. Okay. नहीं नहीं जोगा बोनी तो भाई ये स्ट्रीम पे आने आया जाना है, ये स्ट्रीमर की तो क्या करूँ, एडमिन को देखना भी नहीं है चैनल। Ghost Blaster. I was also implementing a feature in my website, although it's not my main stack. That's why I'm asking. Okay, yeah, sure, Ghost Blaster. Ask your question. 9 घंटी से हाँ भाई, ओके डी धैर्य, watching and learning from stream. Okay, okay, this is done. Install Redis. Prohibition. Why can't I start direct with backend development? Yeah, you can start with backend development. Then you can use, you can build REST APIs. You can implement authentication. Then you can use Postman or Thunderclient to test your APIs. You can start with backend. Roheb Hussain, why can't I start direct with okay 9 games? Once in a blue moon होता है ऐसा, okay. Shubham Rai, bro, which platform is good for applying job? For applying job, you can, like the best option is to get the information of the person who is uploading the job, and then email your resume to that person directly, and then you can share your resume through that portal. You can use Naukri, Well Found, We Work Remotely. You can use this websites. शुभम राय, ओके, हर्षित कश्यप, एक नहीं मिली 8 सेम है बीटेक कर जॉब अभी तक. See, Harshit, I can understand the job market is really terrible now, but if you build projects and if you can showcase that you are able to build products on your own, then company will hire you. Ghost Blaster, like how can I direct the message from a site front end to a Proton mail without any paid services in action, just free? Okay, I have you need to direct. See what from your front end to send that email to a Proton email, you need a backend in between. You cannot do it directly from your front end. Or you can go to the Proton mail website and you can see if they have an API key. You need to use that. Joga Bonito. No, I'm talking to 9 a.m. games. Till yesterday he was different person. आज क्या हो गया? Yeah, I don't know what happened in chat today. Like people are like a bit behaving differently today. Let's see. I think देखो क्या होता है धीरे भाई. अमावस का चांद हो सकता है तो रात का सूरज क्यों नहीं? I have no idea. Roheb Hussain, would Django a better tech for backend? Yeah, Django is very powerful. Instagram uses Django. Spotify uses Django. So Django is very powerful. Samir, Samir, what is the name? Samir Arote. Hello, Samir Arote. Welcome to my stream, bro. Would you let someone contribute with whatever you are doing? Yeah, once I deploy it, maybe in future I'll make it open source. I've not decided it yet. 9 games. Roheb Hussain. Last question. What about Spring and Java for backend dev? Spring and Java is also good, but Spring and Java is a bit difficult for a fresher to get into the industry because in Spring and Java they usually take experienced people with 2 or 3 years of experience. 9 games. Okay, cap. अब से कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. Like 9 games ऐसा नहीं है. जो बोलना है बोलो. But like we are streaming here. We are trying to learn something. We are trying to build something. So like think about it. Ghost Blaster. I've already implemented this, but the main thing is that the free version doesn't allow that and have many limitations. So for setting this, I use Recent API. Okay. Yeah, Recent you can use that, but after a certain point, you have to pay. If you are building something, you need to pay. That's why learning becomes difficult because you need to pay. Roheb Hussain. I'm asking because that you suggest me that best stack for backend dev. See, for me, the best stack is MERN stack. I love MERN stack. I have worked with Django also, but right now I want to work in startup and I want to build my own startup. So that's why I'm learning MERN stack. Ghost Blaster, and you know that these are basically domain mails like Vercel and all. Yeah. Okay. Redis has been installed. .env Redis URL. Cool. .env Redis URL, and in .env sample also I will put this Redis URL. I want the Redis URL. Config src config redis.ts src config redis.ts. So first import create client from Redis. Cool, this is done. Then const Redis client export const Redis client equals new create client. Okay, just create client, and this takes an object as an input, and I'll pass the URL process.env dot redis URL. Redis URL, hold on, Redis URL, and I'll just go to my DB here. Then Redis client, then Redis client dot on error in error, got this. Then console dot error, we have a Redis error, and I'll pass the error. Fine. Redis error is here. Then after, okay, this will be inside, and this will be a comma here. Done. This is done. Redis client is done. Const connect Redis, and this will be async. Async patch. And in patch, what am I doing? Console dot error. Okay. It's errored. Fine. Then try await this client dot connect. 9am games. Thanks for throwing light on my dark behaviors. I'll work on it. See, 9am games, like, don't take it that much seriously. Like, just enjoy, chill, and have fun. Like, you're talking like, dark behavior, light. Joga Bonito. Oh, bro, spitting fire. Abhi Thakur. Did you think about Discord server? Abhi Thakur. Yeah, Abhi Thakur, I've been thinking about Discord server. Like, till now, I've not created it. Roeb Hussain. So, shouldn't jump to Django backend, by the way. Thanks for his response. Roeb, see, if you are interested in Python and you want to build, you want a strong backend framework with Python, then learn Django. Prem Sagar. Bro, Yapster search karo. Prem Sagar. Okay, I'll search it. Ghost Blaster. So, could you suggest some free alternative for mails or suggest or message that are input in the site frontend and strategy could work? Right now, I don't know about this. Like, I have to research about it. Then I'll let you know. Prem Sagar, we have built our social media platform in Rust. Oh, that's nice. Rust is very fast. Prem Sagar, Yapster. You can check that. Okay. Shubham Rai. Any names? Korea Instagram only. Though few people already told him to make Discord server. Let's see. And any memes I'll make something for the community in future. Like, I'm just not getting the time because entire day I'm just coding and building, building, building. I'm not getting any time. Shubham Rai, I think Golang is also fast for backend. Yeah, Shubham Rai, Golang is also fast. Prem Sagar, yeah. Name games. What was that pause? I don't know. Am I audible clearly? Do let me know. This is done. This is done. Now if I come to my backend SRC index.js import to Redis. Import connect Redis. Redis done. Update your startup block. So here I'm connecting DB async, 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 then connect this and it should be away. Connect this, find this again. See anything here. Here my Redis is running. Let's see. Ping pong, I'm getting ping pong. Redis is here. CD backend again. Okay, this is fine. It's fine. This is absolutely fine. There we go. Now if I Ghost Blaster. Bro, have you tried a dual boot is on Windows? No, I have not tried that. Prem Sagar, yes, okay. Ghost Blaster. And how does it work after that depending on the machine specs? What works like so for two different OS? How is performance and other behavior? What are you talking about, Ghost Blaster? Ashu Bhandari. Hello Ashu, welcome to my stream. Bro, I am beginner coding, but I am confused JavaScript or Java. If you're a beginner, then go for Java because Java is a very strong language and there's this backend framework called Spring Boot. You can learn that. But if you're interested in the MERN stack, then go for JavaScript. Bro, please suggest for coding. I will suggest that go start with JavaScript. Start with JavaScript. Area. Soup. Thakur, I don't know why my college faculty keep pushing me to learn R. Okay, R is for start. R, anybody uses R these days? I don't know. जोगा बोली तो भाई वो बंदा तो चला गया इतना जलील नहीं करना चाहिए था ओके Ghost Blaster, does it goes wild or becomes more stable consider high RAM or CPU? GPU based work. Like Sonic Ghost Blasters, what are you talking about here? Sonic Gaming, आज क्या करोगे? Sonic Gaming, today we are implementing Redis for caching so that API response, it's much faster. Ashu Bhandari, bro, please suggest for suggestions for coding. See, start with the programming language, start with JavaScript, then learn React, HTML, CSS, then you can start learning backend. Prem Sagar, what should be your goal for earning with this project? I don't know. Right now, there are no goal for earning with this project. Maybe in future we can implement if I get lots of data and lot of users uses it, then we can build our own LLM. कुमार नीरज, हेलो कुमार नीरज, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई आप कहाँ से इंजीनियरिंग किए हो? कुमार, मैंने SMIT से किया है, सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। घोस्ट ब्लास्ट डुअल बूट, ओके, आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट डुअल बूट। Ashu Bhandari, bro, I am beginner coding. Please suggestions. Ashu Bhandari told you learn JavaScript, learn React, HTML, CSS, and then build front-end projects. Then start learning backend. Sony Gaming, bro, I did dual boot and currently I'm using Ubuntu 24.0 version. Okay, that's nice. डी धरिया यार, किसी को मेरे भाई जलील मत करो ओके मोहम्मद मोहम्मद सालम मोहम्मद सैम, हेलो मोहम्मद सैम, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। सर मॉन स्टैक में रिलेशनशिप समझ नहीं आ रहा है, क्या प्रोजेक्ट बना को इनके मास्टर करूँ? एक टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, बट implement put a category section in to do's so that each to do can be in a category, and also implement authentication so a user can create to do and each to do should belong to a category. Implement this, you will understand relationships. Ghost Blaster. So, are you originally using Windows and then apply dual boot on Ubuntu? Okay. Ashu Bhandari, bro, I am learning HTML, CSS. Okay, that's nice. Give 1 or 2 weeks for HTML to and CSS, then start learning JavaScript. जोगा बुनीतो, दोनों भी चले गए 9 AM ने ज़्यादा रोस्ट कर दिया ओके आशु भंडारी, ब्रो आई एम लर्निंग HTML CSS Python. Okay, if you are learning Python, then start learning Django for backend. Ghost Blaster, Sony Gaming, reply. Okay. Ashu Bhandari, bro, I'm learning HTML says Python. Yeah, okay, then learn Django. Sonic Gaming, okay. Ashu Bhandari, bro, I'm learning Java and online learning Java and JavaScript. Okay, that's you're learning too many things at the same time. Sonic Gaming, you meant okay, D here. You play Minecraft and chess. I play chess sometimes. Prem Sagar, nice. But bro, how you can pitch investor to earn method? See, in investor, I'll tell that like if I get at least 10,000 users, then I'll go to investors. I'll say that this app is growing. We are collecting data, and then we can use this data for creating personalized ads, and then we can use that data to create LLMs, and then we can start our own like LLM company also. Samir. Bro, your GitHub profile. Uh, Samir, my GitHub profile is this one, and you can get the link in the description of this stream. Okay. Going- Bro, I've heard for starters, other Windows. Okay. D bro, chess match when? I play chess on my phone. Like I'm not. I just play it for time pass. 19 games. Joga bonito. Let it slide. Don't mention it. Okay. Yeah, bro, I am back and then I'm using Windows, but okay, fine. This is done. Then after this, cache home feed. Home feed will use caching there. Controllers, post controller. We have the post controller here, right? Not create post. And my get all post for home. Here I'll use this Redis client. Import Redis client. Import Redis client. Cache key. Okay. What are we doing here? Use cache key. Use cache data. Cache key. Cache data. Fetch from DB. Support pipeline. Store Redis. DLC. Okay, let's see. This seems interesting. Right now, let's see, almost 3600. See, it is taking 189.36. Okay, there we go. Is it? User ID. Here, we'll do here. Const cache key equals home posts. Fine. Then if const cached data equals await Redis client dot, do I get suggestions? Hash key. Fine. Then if, oh wait, hold on, why am I getting this? If there is no cached data, if there is a cached data, simply return here only. Return s dot status 200.json new API response 200 JSON dot parse cached data and a message. Posts fetched from cache. Is done. Okay. Then aggregation pipeline. Then after this aggregation pipeline, we can do this. Await and this client dot set. We're setting the cache key JSON dot stringify posts ex60. This is working. What is this ex60? Set option ex. Okay. And expiration type. Number. Okay, expiration. Got it. Fine. हर्षित कश्यप ब्रो, मैंने रेज्यूमे में 3 प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें एक फास्ट एपीआई एंड नेक्स्ट वाज फ्लास्क एंड वन प्रोजेक्ट इन जैंगो एंड आई अप्लाई इन Moogle's company and this is off campus. My resume shortlist ATS was 93. Like your resume got shortlisted. Harshit Kashyap, Sony Gaming. Now not that much heavy for new user. Simple. Okay. डी धैर्य ब्रो ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्जन को याद रखने की कोई ट्रिक विच ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्जन वेयर होस्ट लिस्नर आई मीन इट्स बेसिकली ऑल कमांड्स ओके अजय कश्यप ब्रो मैंने रेज्यूमे में 3 प्रोजेक्ट है Ghost Blaster, not that heavy, but in terms of commands and operations, Sony Gaming. Okay. Ashu Bhandari, bro, coding may get good job. Yeah, you can get good job if you're a good developer. Prem Sagar, nice, bro. Great. We have also pitched Titian and CU incubators and campus tank, but all they said this 1 lakh user shit. And then we had a premium feature and anonymous feature. Okay, Prem Sagar. See, see if you think carefully, the main concept of a social media application is people to interact it with, and the only thing that it generates is data. So to monetize it, we have to use that data. Then only the company can make money. Sonic Gaming. If you use daily and keep research, then it's nothing. Okay. At this time building an app is a side quest. It's been job period. Okay. And there are some okay. Web design and web developer best. Developer best. Joga bonito. Dev any day. Oh, no, okay. Who was your first sub? Neith Haria. I think I was my. Who was my first subscriber? I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, game. All on okay. Nirmal Srivastav. Bro, are you implementing Redis in your project? Yes, Nirmal Srivastav. Today I'm implementing Redis in my project. Sorry, game. But Mint is just for old PC, older people grinding games. Maybe someone from his family account or fake one he created for the latest push. True. Those blasters. So, what you suggest for heavy working and low okay, any games? Now he's making content. Okay, Sony Gaming use about to इधर ही use सारे organic conversion को याद रखने की which organic conversion? Ghost Blaster appreciate talk bro try. हर्षित कश्यप सर क्या resume shortlisted हो सकता है 3 प्रोजेक्ट है पाइथन में डेवलप है ATS 93 see ATS will get your interviewer attention but interviewer decide it will be shortlisted or not and if your projects are good then you will be shortlisted. Amit, I was your first subscriber. You don't remember me. Okay, Amit. Thanks for subscribing, Amit. And like uh I don't know how to say like how to know who is my first subscriber, who is my second subscriber. Ashu Bhandari. Bro, but any company AI. Okay, try. And Facts. Hello, NRN Facts. Welcome to my stream. Bro, web dev or ML? I'll say ML if you're a beginner. Because I am surrounded with toxic people. How to survive and ignore them? Just ignore. Like, unless and until someone pays your bill, ignore that person. D I was 55th or something like that number. Oh, that's nice, D 500th. Okay. 9am games. Bro, I was the 69th subscriber. Yeah, I remember 9am games because, he has been consistent and, like, he interacts a lot in the chat. So I remember that 9am games. I remember this guy. And then I remember other subscribers also. When I see their chats, I remember them. ओके भैया क्या करूँ कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्लास में हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है कोई इंटर्नशिप कोई फ्रीलांसिंग और मैं फोर्थ सेम अभी तक जेल्स भी नहीं दिया सो स्टार्ट लर्निंग दीपक आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट कैन बी वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग बट कॉलेज में ना बहुत लोगों का आदत होता है करते से इतना है बट बोलते हैं कि क्या ना क्या उखाड़ लिया लाइफ में ठीक है इट इज़ फाइन इतना बातों में मत आओ अंडरस्टैंड वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज learn one tech stack properly and build projects. That's it. Kushagra Srivastava, I'm also consistent. That's nice, Kushagra. Yeah, yeah, Kushagra, you have been consistent in my stream. D Dharya. Ah, finally, you're not 67, but loved number 69. Okay. Yoga Bonito, 9 a.m. Maybe you're not 69, but he misses you in your absence 9 a.m. D Dharya, lol. D Dharya. जो जो consistent है भाई क्या कर रहे हो रात भर जग के Yeah, I remember. See, Joga Bonito also I remember because like he has been consistent in my stream. Then Kushagar has been consistent. Lokesh, hey, do you remember me? Yeah, Lokesh, I do remember you. Running game Joga Bonito. और भाई क्या हो गया? Okay, fine. This is done. This is done. Now let's see any issues here. Now let's see 36 ms all posts. Let's see. Let's see. Any 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21. Okay, let's see messages. Any messages here? Post fetch from cache. Okay, cool. This I'm doing. User posts. Where's my routes? Post post control. And here user posts. This is done. Get user posts. Okay, here username is here. Const cache key equals user slash posts dollar username. DJ, good nini bro. Good night, D and thanks for joining the stream, brother. Sonic Gaming, bro, I'm consistent too. Yes, Sonic Gaming. Like like I said, when I see consistent people in my chat, I do remember them. Chintan, I learned React JS and basic Node.js. Can I apply it for internship or learn microservices and read and see microservices? You can learn, but for as a beginner, you can learn React, Node.js, full stack application. 9am games. Good Nini. What the hell, bro? Come again with something normal. Yeah. Good night. 9am games. You must be asking about Redis or Redux. Okay. दीपक भाई आप लाइव स्ट्रीम कब से स्टार्ट करते हो दीपक मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम 10:30 PM के बाद से स्टार्ट करता हूँ दीपक आई विल गिव माय डेली result okay yeah sure Deepak you can come to my live stream and you can share your results Chintan no Redux will be done okay Ashu Bhandari brother I have not taken internship I have done diploma from institute and learning HTML Python CSS and online learning Java and JavaScript Ashu Bhandari, I will suggest you that you pick one tech stack, like you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the entire Monstack ecosystem. It will be better. 9 games. भैया अभी बैडी हंटिंग मोड पे हैं One in cell love, two eyes. I am commerce student, but I want to go into IT field. Then start with learning a programming language and then build projects. Amit, does age matter in private jobs? See, yeah, does age matters? Like they will not prefer if you're see depends on the job role. If you are trying for a fresher job at the age of 30 or 35, they will not consider you. You know, Ashu Bhandari, bro, learn one online based learning app. Okay. Sonic Gaming, bro, where should I learn system design and database design? Sonic Gaming, you can learn database design from Gate Smashers YouTube channel, and for system design, you can watch videos from Sonic Gaming. I sent a DM to you on Insta in morning. Have you seen which DM? Like, I did not open my Instagram much today. Like, which DM? If I have a DM, I'll check that later. Uh, Lean Ruham. I'm from Bangladesh. Now I'm learning JS. Then I will shift to React. Oh, that's nice. And welcome to my stream. Learn Ruham. I hope you enjoy my stream. My name is freelancing कंपनी में तो डिग्री मैंडेटरी है भाई. Okay. Sound not clear. Can you repeat, please? I said Amit. Guys, am I audible now? Am I audible? Do let me know if I'm audible or not. And Amit 5943. Okay, yeah, Amit. I said that कि yes, age matters in IT field. Nine name games. Mic distorted. Repeat the answer. Okay. Yes. भाई माइक शिफ्ट करो. Guys, am I audible now? Okay. Sonic Gaming, bro, आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है, कहाँ से पढ़ूँ? Yeah, Sonic Gaming. See, for database designing, you can learn from uh, Sonic Gaming. You can learn from for database design. You can go for to Gate Smashers YouTube channel. There's a YouTube channel called Gate Smashers. You can learn database design from there. And for system design, you can learn from Piyush Garg YouTube channel. Nine name games. Cap, don't look down while responding. Okay, I'll remember that. Amit 95943. What is maximum age? See, it depends on your job role. For example, if you are at the age of 35 and you are applying for a fresher or junior dev role, they will not consider you. But if you are 35 and you have 3 to 4 years experience, then they will consider you. That's the thing. So age and experience go hand in hand in IT. Ritik Kairole official. Hello Ritik, welcome to my stream. Bro, IT field में नॉन कोडिंग जॉब्स काफ़ी होते हैं. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट होता है. There's product management. There's the HR. Obviously, HR is there. Um, then there is this called Scrum meeting arranger, something like that. Non-IT fields are there. A lot of non-IT jobs are there. Non-tech jobs are there in IT field, especially in service-based companies. Testing, okay. Ashu Bhandari, okay. Amit, that's why fake experience is in demand. Okay. Yeah, true. Prabeet. Hello, Prabeet. Welcome to my stream. After this project, will you do any project with Java full stack, Spring Boot, microservices? Rabit, Prabeet, welcome to my stream. After this project, I'll start building my SaaS and then I'll use cloud code in that because I was learning about cloud code. I'll be using tech stack. My tech stack will be MERN stack only, or maybe Next.js and MERN stack. But I'll use cloud code in my SaaS. Okay. Cache key done. Hold on. Const cached data equals await Redis client dot get cache key. Hold on. Before I do this, I'll come here. I have logged in. Get user post. I'll see the API timing of here. It is taking 29 milliseconds or 24 milliseconds, something like that. Fine. Now if we do this cached data, then if there is a cached data equals return res dot status. Hold on, not like this. Return res dot status 200 dot JSON new API response 200 cached data JSON.parse. I need to JSON.parse cached data and user posts fetched from cache. Done. This is done. And if I don't have that, hold on, I should do this entire thing should be done after I check the validation for username. Here it should be done here, right? And this aggregation pipeline is done. I'll do this aggregation pipeline projects here, and before I return this, await Redis client, Redis client. Ashu Bhandari, bro, will I get a job for this coding Java and JavaScript? You have to be very good in it, and you have to build projects and deploy it. That's the only way. 9 name games. Do it on Next.js if you are planning to sell foreign clients. Next.js is in demand. That's what I heard. Yeah, even I was thinking I should do it with Next.js. See, YT Locario Gaming. हेलो, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम वाईटी लोकरिया गेमिंग। भाई मैं अभी फ़ोन में कोड सीख रहा हूँ और सी शार्प सीखने के लिए अच्छा ऐप नहीं मिल रहा। भाई मैं अभी फ़ोन में कोड सीख रहा हूँ। फ़ोन ओके ओके या यू कैन यूज़ रेपलिट एज 9 name games said. Okay. Redis client dot set cache key JSON dot stringify posts. Hold on, JSON dot stringify posts. Then here x by 60, and here will return await posts successfully. This is done. Now the moment of truth. Here in the message for 18 milliseconds. Now if I come here, 72 milliseconds, 18 milliseconds, 18 milliseconds, 14. See, it is faster now. Response time, socket, initialization, download, okay, all posts. And if I come here, send 18, 17, from cache, okay, this is done. This is done. Invalid cache on create. Inside create post after. Okay, del home, fine. Alright, so invalid create post. Where's my create post? Post controller create post. This is done. This is done. Limit. Okay. Create post. Invalidate user post. Okay. Await Redis client dot delete home slash posts. This will be deleted, and also this is done. Invalidated on update. Inside update post content, update post content. I can copy this update post at all posts for home posts. Okay, fine. Then get user posts. Wolverine, hello Wolverine, welcome back to my stream. How are you? How do you spend your day? Wolverine, I wake up around 9, then I have my breakfast. I've started having breakfast again. Then after that, I work. I work, then I have my lunch, then I work again, then I just chill a bit in evening. I spend time with my mother, I have tea. Then after dinner, I start working again. That's it. 9 AM games. शुभ रात्रि कैप कल कॉलेज है ओके 9 AM games थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग ब्रदर एंड गुड नाइट आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस स्ट्रीम आशु भंडारी ब्रो वेब डेवलपर के लिए कौन से लैंग्वेज सीखनी पड़ेगी आशु भंडारी यू मस्ट लर्न जावास्क्रिप्ट posts then get user post by id then update post content after all this update post content save then before we save await redis dot client redis client redis client dot delete okay I have copied that user dot dot user dot user dot username on delete also on delete delete post here also we can do this Wolverine, what you work during the day, freelancing or personal projects? When I have freelancing clients, then I work on freelancing projects, and if not, then I work on personal projects. Today what happens? Okay. Cache, cache, and this page in it. Fine. Now if I come here, all posts, all posts. Hold on. Now just do one thing. Where is for now? Just comment this part. If I just comment this part, here also comment this part. If I come here, and now if I try to get all posts 91, 43, 39, 41, 44. Okay, now if I uncomment this, now if I uncomment this, where is it? If I uncomment this, then I uncomment this, then I uncomment this, then here I uncomment this, uncomment this. Okay, but not here, here. If I come here, any issues? Now it was around that time. Now if I get all posts, first time it takes time, then 18. See, big drop. Fine. Loop Infinity 1. Hello, Sarji. Hello, Loop Infinity 1. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So this is done. This is done. Now if I come here, what am I getting? All posts. Yes, see, okay, I can get this thing. Error, what error? Fine, all posts. See, 22 milliseconds. 22 milliseconds. Get user posts. 26, 16, 17, 14. Cool. This is happening here. Now, if I delete a post, where is my delete post? Fetch from cache. Login user, get user posts. Now if I come here and if I delete a random post, now if I delete need to learn more, if I come here and if I go to delete post, I go to delete post and I put this ID. See right now in my all posts, see the data is coming from, hold on, all post. Now data is coming from cache. Now if I delete post, post it successfully. Now if I come here, post fetch successfully. If I come here, okay, if I come here, okay, profile, thought of the day, fine, this is fine, okay, this is working. Then update post content, get user posts. Now if I come here, thought of the day, there we go. Let's put something user from cache. Now if I put the user ID here, update this user ID and let's put updated here. Now if I see get user post, from cache, now if I update the post updated. Now if I get user posts, see from successfully. Now if I do it again, cache. Cool, this is fine. Now if I come to the profile page, updated. Cool, this is fine. Let's just delete this post here. Now if I come here, this is my network, and if I refresh my network, network, where is it? Okay, network, register login, feed page, okay, public, protected, sockets, sidebar, chatbar, feed, api.ts, okay, then here chat gonna post api.ts, okay, user post or tsx, there we go. Now if I come here, what is happening? Hold on. In the network tab, adding this. Okay, all post. If I come here, in my response, if I see in my response message, post fetched from cache. All right, fetched from cache. Now if I go to profile, upload a post. Haha, post. I posted it. Now if I come here, all posts from cache, message, what is the message? Where is the message? Post processor. Cool. Okay, caching is working. Yup. So we have implemented Redis. Ankit, hello bhai. Today I started to build my app on React Native Expo. Any advice to continue? Oh, that's nice. React Native Expo is very nice. And just continue building on it and work on it every single day. And for backend, try to build your own backend. Wolverine, what's the irreplaceable skill? Like anti-AI skill one should have for the job security? Learn the skill to become a software architect. Like understand before building a software in production, what we do, we try to build the entire architecture of the software, right? Try to develop that skill. Outset, I am dead. You are ignoring. Damn, bro, I'm not ignoring. I was working on the code. Did I ignored your chat? I don't think so. Outset. Am I audible? सचिन भैया एक डाउट था. अभी मैं मर्न कर रहा हूँ और इतना मेहनत से सीख रहा हूँ और बाद में पता चला कि इंडस्ट्री में इसकी कोई नीड ही नहीं है क्योंकि एआई तो कोड लिख ही देता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. तो मेरा मेहनत. या आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड बट ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप कुछ टेक्स्ट, इफ यू आर लर्निंग अ टेक्स्ट स्टैक एंड if that becomes outdated, you don't lose the skill. You shift to another skill because once see, no matter what tech stack you learn, the flow is same. No matter if you're learning Spring Boot, if you're learning Django, if you're learning MERN, each and every tech stack have the same thing. You will use authentication, you will use controllers, you will use REST APIs. So no, if you master one tech stack, it becomes very easy to learn any another tech stack. So think like that. So Redis has been implemented. Fine. There we go. So next target is to implement rate limiting. How to implement rate limiting? Install express rate limit. Okay, set to create middleware. Okay, सचिन मतलब भैया डेवलपर लोग की डिमांड कभी कम नहीं ना होगी. सी डेवलपर की डिमांड कम नहीं होगी बट द थिंग इज दैट you have to become a developer who can build the architecture of a software because coders might lose their job in coming future because AI can do the code. Even in my startup, in my SaaS, after this project, when I start building my SaaS, I will use cloud code, you know. But the thing is, you need to understand, you know, you need to think like an software architect. Even if we use cloud code or any AI code editor, the prompt we give, we tell the AI like we want in this architecture, then AI just writes the code, right? श्रवण थम्बारे, हेलो श्रवण, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई मैंने JS DOM सीखा. आई बिल्ट फ्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर प्रैक्टिस बट व्हेन आई tried a medium level project, it felt very hard to understand. Yeah, Shravan, see, you understand JavaScript DOM manipulation, like you are able to click on a button on a div and something happens. If you are able to do these things, that is fine. Now your next target should be to learn React.js or Angular. Choose one. I will suggest that you learn React. Okay, so this is done. Rate limiting, fine. So I can, maybe just save this for future. Okay. I save this for future. Apply globally. Important, okay. App not use global rate limiter. Now app is protected. Optional route space for rate limiting. A better for authenticated users by default limited users IP, but you have JWT. You can rate limit per user instead of IP. Advanced rate limited by user ID. User ID. Okay, apply to create post. How to limiting works? Redis tools key like production recommendation for you. Okay, so we did this, and here we go. 12, 24, 13, and all posts. If I come here, 78, 78. Here it is 78 post successfully. Now if I do, it should 17. See, big difference. 17, then 12, then 15, 13, 14. Yeah, okay, fine. Cache, cool. This is fine. Yeah, we have implement caching also. That's a big achievement, I think, because yeah, that's nice. Yeah, when caching. Okay. All right. Just come here. So now we have implement caching also. Fine. Okay, this here. Close this. Close this. Close this. Here we can close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. I'll come. All implemented caching using Redis. Commit, then push. Push, then I'll come to my GitHub, repositories, on social media, backend, src, controllers, post controller, create post, okay, delete. This is done. Then here we go, all get all posts for home, cache id, cache data. If cache data, then cache data. If not, then we'll go get the posts. Then post expiry 60 seconds. Okay, cool. Get user post, same logic. Cache data. This is done. It is ready by update post content. So after we update this, user not safe. Done. Then delete post. User id. Then here also we do this. Fine. Kirot Kumar. Hello Kirot Kumar, welcome to my stream. Bro, can we use Emergence AI for build application and give me some suggest how can implement my application in other ways? I have not used Emergence AI. Kirot Kumar, okay. What is Emergence AI? I don't know. What is Emergence AI? Oh, AI web builder. Yeah, you can use that, but like you will not be able to build complex apps. It is better to use a cloud code or codex maybe if you want to build using AI. शिवानी श्रवण थम्बाड़े. मैंने हिरेश सर की प्लेलिस्ट से जेएस सीखा. अब मैं सिर्फ डॉम सीखा हूँ. आई स्टार्टेड टू डू प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट प्रोवाइडेड फर्स्ट फ्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स वेर इजी बट द लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट वॉज डिफिकल्ट. Okay, see, I suggest that I also followed that playlist. Just understand JavaScript that much, that will help you understand React.js. And when you learn React.js, your JavaScript will become more strong, and then you can start learning backend. Don't just get looped up in JavaScript, because JavaScript is huge, and before you can say that you have mastered JavaScript, it will take a lot of time. So just learn JavaScript essential topics, DOM manipulation, then async await promises, maps, higher order functions, all those things. And then shift to React and then learn backend. All right, so this is done. Okay, so all right everyone, and if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll wrap up now. And like, this project has come a long way, seriously. So the next target is to implement rate limiting, and implement after rate limiting I'll implement how to upload videos and serve videos in my application. So yeah, I'll wrap up now, and thanks for joining this stream. And if you like this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next stream. And until then, take care of yourself. Just keep learning and become the best version of yourself.